Oh, hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Peperu here, and I will do another reaction video. By who? I think I will gonna react a video from Fourth Impact. Okay, they are my favorite girl band, by the way, and then they are awesome. I mean, their performance is insane. It's like a all-in-one package, you know. They can dance, they can sing. It's everything. That's a pure talent, by the way. Again, I keep always saying pure talent, Filipino talent, because that's true. It's a cover from Jackson 5. Yeah, Jackson 5, like Michael Jackson and the other brothers of the Jackson 5. And the song called I'll Be There. They do this cover on Wish 107.5, okay? So, let's start, okay? I'm excited. You know that, okay? Just for you guys, okay? Let's start without further ado. Again, the blending of the voice. Oh my god. My god! She nailed it! Oh my god! Whew. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm speechless again. This is insane. Oh my god. The voice. Oh my god. Yes. My god. So again, that's another insane performance by Fourth Impact. Oh my god. I want to do another reaction video by Fourth Impact. Oh my god. So yeah, another insane performance. The high tone, the blending of the voice, they are all perfect, okay? And yes, I will do another video, reaction video by Fourth Impact. I will do, really, I will do it, okay? So, again, there are my kababayans because I am a Filipino and they are Filipina. We live in the Philippines, and oh my god, this is insane. I mean, they are awesome. Awesome, my god. So, I will end my reaction video now, and keep on subscribing to my channel, guys. And update you with my latest reaction video. Not only a reaction video, I have also a playlist like my blog. There's plenty happening on my channel, so better subscribe to my channel, okay? Thanks again. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, okay? See you on my next reaction video soon, okay? Because tomorrow I have work, and the next day there's a family reunion, and there's okay, so see you on my next video soon, okay? Bye guys for now. See you.